Have you ever wished you could get all of your remodeling questions answered before you even meet with someone from the company? Hi, I'm Mike from JSB Home Solutions, and that's exactly why we put this video together. We want you to feel informed, confident, and excited about your project before we ever step foot in your home. Home remodeling can feel like a big decision, but when you understand what to expect, the process becomes a whole lot easier. So let's walk through some of the most common questions we get during an initial consultation. What types of remodeling does JSB Home Solutions do? Here at JSB Home Solutions, we focus on kitchen and bathroom remodeling. Let's start with kitchens. When you remodel your kitchen with JSB, you can expect brand new, custom, Amish-made cabinetry designed for both beauty and lasting durability. From there, we bring your entire kitchen together with new countertops, backsplash, sink, faucet, and hardware. Everything you need for a fresh, functional space that feels completely new. We also offer 1/4-inch solid hardwood cabinet refacing for homeowners who love their existing layout and want to refresh their cabinets without a full replacement. If you're interested in learning more about that process, we can send you a short video or blog that explains how it works in detail. It still delivers a stunning transformation while saving time and minimizing mess. Next, let's talk about bathrooms. Our bathroom remodels can range from a simple tub to shower conversion to a complete transformation with new flooring, lighting, countertops, vanities, and fixtures. Whether you want a sleek walk-in shower or a relaxing retreat style master bath, we'll tailor the project to your space and your lifestyle. Now, you'll sometimes hear us use the term smart remodeling. So what does that mean? When we say smart kitchen or smart bathroom, we mean we're helping you save money and remodeling time by designing within your home's existing layout whenever possible. That doesn't mean walls can never be moved. It just means we carefully evaluate whether those changes are worth the cost and time for you. Sometimes a small layout change makes perfect sense, but in most cases, keeping your major plumbing and structural walls in place gives you the best return on investment, both in time and money. That's what we call smart remodeling. How long will my project take? That's a great question, and there are really two parts to it. First, let's talk about lead time. Lead time is the period between when you sign your contract and the construction actually begins. On average, our lead times run 4 to 6 months, depending on the size and scope of the project, product availability, and how quickly we can complete your final measurements and approvals. One thing that can delay a project is what we call change orders. Anytime a change is made after the initial order, whether it's a product swap or a layout adjustment, it can affect your timeline. That's the nasty word in our industry, change orders. Second, let's talk about how long your space will actually be under construction. Most kitchen remodels take about 7 to 10 working days of actual construction, but the total project timeline usually runs closer to 2.5 to 3 weeks from demolition to completion. The reason for that extra time is the week-long gap between countertop measurement and countertop installation. Here's what that typically looks like. We usually start on a Monday, have your cabinets set by Thursday, and that same day our countertop fabricator comes out to take precise measurements. The following Thursday, your new countertops are installed. We then come back that afternoon or Friday to reconnect your plumbing and faucet and start your backsplash, finishing it up the following Monday or Tuesday. We also set up a temporary sink during that week, so you're not completely without a functioning kitchen while waiting on your new countertops. Bathroom remodels tend to move straight through without gaps since there's no waiting period for countertop fabrication. A typical hall bathroom takes about 3 to 5 days, while a large master bathroom may run 7 to 10 days depending on the size and complexity of the design. Of course, every project is unique, and factors like design complexity, material availability, and change orders can influence your timeline. But no matter what, our team keeps you informed every step of the way so there are no surprises. How much does remodeling cost? We know this is one of the biggest questions homeowners have, so let's make it as clear as possible. A full kitchen remodel in an average size space typically ranges from $35,000 to $60,000, depending on materials, layout, size, and any add-ons. A shower space only project like a tub to shower conversion usually falls between $10,000 and $15,000. A full 5x8 hall bathroom remodel typically ranges from $20,000 to $35,000. A large master bath with upgraded materials and a more custom layout can range anywhere from $40,000 to $50,000 or even more. What kind of warranty do you offer? Every JSB Home Solutions project includes a limited lifetime workmanship warranty. Here's what that means in simple terms. Limited means it stays with the original homeowner who purchased the remodel with JSB. It doesn't transfer to a new homeowner if you sell your home. Lifetime means that it's valid for as long as you own your home. Workmanship refers to the labor and installation completed by JSB. If you ever need to use your warranty, the process is simple. Just call our office to submit a service request, and our team will schedule a technician to come out and take care of it. Who is JSB Home Solutions? JSB Home Solutions was founded right here in Central Ohio, built on more than 45 years of remodeling experience. Our founder, Jeff Brown, started his remodeling company back in 1978 in Columbus, Ohio. Out of the lessons he learned over the decades, he's built JSB with one goal in mind: to make remodeling a better, smarter, and more enjoyable experience for homeowners. Today, we continue that legacy as a family-owned and operated business that takes pride in helping people love their homes again. We know your home is more than just a place you live. It's where life happens, and it deserves the kind of care and attention that only comes from people who truly value it. What makes JSB different? There are 3 things that really set JSB apart. The experience. At JSB, you're never left wondering what's happening with your project. From day one, we'll focus on clear, personal communication. You'll receive one-on-one video updates from your design consultant so you can see and hear exactly what's going on with your remodel, even before anyone arrives at your home. Once your project moves into production, our team keeps you in the loop with timeline updates at every major stage so you always know what's next. It's the kind of proactive communication and personal touch that makes the remodeling process feel easy and stress-free. The products. We only use materials and brands that we know and trust will look beautiful for years to come. Most of our products are made right here in the USA, and we often tell homeowners that we hope that you're not just looking for a remodel, you're looking for your last remodel. Everything we install is selected for long-term durability and timeless appeal, not just for what's trending right now. Lastly, the people. We're a local, family-owned company that's been serving Central Ohio homeowners for decades. Our team truly cares about the work we do and the people we do it for. When you choose JSB, you're partnering with a company that values relationships, takes pride in our craftsmanship, and treats your home like it's our own. What will my proposal include? Your proposal from JSB will include a detailed, itemized list of everything that's part of your project. That means all removals, installations, and materials, down to the exact faucet you chose, its color, your cabinet door style, countertop finish, and shower wall selections. You'll also receive a hand-sketched layout showing the planned design for your space so you can visualize how it all comes together before work begins. Everything is clearly listed so you'll know exactly what's included. No surprises, no guesswork. At JSB, we have over 30 full-time employees, and nearly all of our work is completed by our own installers. For specialized trades like plumbing or electrical, we work with trusted subcontractors who've partnered with us for years. Every subcontractor is held to the same quality and professionalism standards as our own employees, and their work is still fully covered under JSB's warranty and liability insurance. Remodeling your home is a big decision, and we take that responsibility seriously. We know it takes a lot of trust to invite someone in to tear apart a part of your home and rebuild it into something new, and that's not something we ever take lightly. Our goal at JSB Home Solutions is to make that process as smooth, stress-free, and rewarding as possible. We want you not only to love the finished space, but also feel confident that you made the right choice in who you trusted to do the work. If you have any other questions, our team is always happy to help. You can visit our website or call us at 614-623-2895. And we look forward to helping you create a home you'll love for years to come.